In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with Google Tasks to add notes and due dates to your emails, making your email management much more organized and productive. This integration can really streamline your workflow by allowing you to efficiently track and handle important tasks directly from your inbox. So let's dive right into the process. First off, you'll want to open Gmail and log in with your account credentials. Once you've got your inbox up and running, turn your attention to the right hand side of the screen. Here you'll notice a small blue checkmark icon, which is Google Tasks. This little tool is what makes it all happen, allowing you to transform your emails into actionable items. Next, pinpoint the email you want to convert into a task. With that email open, look towards the top toolbar where you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this presents a drop down with various options. From here you're going to want to select Add to Tasks. Once you've done that, your email has officially been added to Google Tasks. To see your new task, click on that Google Tasks icon we mentioned earlier. This action opens your task list, showcasing all the tasks you've added through your emails. Now locate the task you just added. You'll find it includes the email's subject line, providing you a quick reference to what the task is about. But you can enrich this even further. Use the Add Details field right below your task to input any additional notes or context. This is particularly helpful if your email contains specifics you don't want to forget, such as project deadlines or meeting agendas. Adding these extra notes makes each task more comprehensive and ensures you don't miss out on crucial information. And that's essentially the trick to converting your emails into tasks using Google's handy tools. But what about when you've completed a task? Well, that's simple too. Once you've done everything you need to with your task, just check the circle next to it. This action marks it as complete, moving it to your completed list. This not only keeps your current to-dos clutter-free, but also provides a record of your accomplishments. There you have it. By just following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently use Gmail with Google Tasks, adding notes and due dates to better organize and prioritize your inbox. Give it a try and see how these small changes can have a big impact on your productivity and email management. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your tasks organized with Gmail and Google Tasks.